बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सिविल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करने जा रहे हैं। मैं आपको ये डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड पर मिनट के हिसाब से डिक्टेट कराऊंगा। इस पैसेज का जो लिंक है वो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, वहां से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं डिक्टेशन की तरफ। 3, 2, 1 start. Facts which seem to be necessary are that Public Service Commission advertised some posts of assistant commissioners and assistant superintendents of police on 12th of April, 1994, full stop. Among other candidates, the appellant and respondent number 1 appeared in the examination, full stop. 4 persons, including respondent number 1, were recommended by the Public Service Commission for appointment as assistant commissioners, but a writ petition was filed to challenge the domicile certificate of respondent number 1, Muhammad Bashir, full stop. The petition was accepted and appeal brought to this court also failed, full stop. Consequently, Muhammad Bashir was appointed as assistant commissioner in place of respondent number 1 against Muzaffarabad Kota, full stop. After some time, another candidate filed a writ petition in the High Court in which he stated that 2 posts of assistant commissioners reserved under the quota system for the districts of Bagh and Kotli could not be filled for want of suitable candidates, full stop. He pleaded that the 2 posts which had remained vacant should have been filled in on the basis of open merit in light of the policy laid down in government order issued on 5th of July 1972, full stop. He therefore, prayed that direction be issued for his appointment on open merit, full stop. The writ petition was initially dismissed by the High Court but was accepted by this court after vacating the judgment of the High Court, full stop. The writ petition has been accepted and direction has been issued for appointment of respondent number 1 as assistant commissioner against the vacancy which was not filled in consequence of the competitive examination mentioned above, full stop. As already mentioned, Sharif, one of the unsuccessful candidate, has filed this appeal by leave of the court, full stop. However, an objection has been raised in the concise statement filed by the respondents that the appellant has no legal right to assail the judgment of the High Court because his rights have not been adversely affected and also because he did not approach the High Court for enforcement of his alleged right, full stop. It was also stated in the concise statement that the appellant had slept over the matter and therefore he had no right to put forward his claim after 2.5 years, full stop. The appellant explained in para number 12 of the appeal that he came to know about the judgment of the High Court passed on 17th of July 1997, 4 days before filing of the petition for leave to appeal, and appellant read the judgment of the High Court, full stop.